Hello, my creative heroes. It's been a while. I truly must admit that, and I'm truly sorry for the hiatus. I don't know how it's pronounced, but basically I disappeared, and obviously I'm still here, alive and healthy. Is that what you wanted to hear? Because I hope you missed me. Well, some of you actually did, and so it was really a sentimental moment when I got that first message that someone was like, "Oh my god, Thangys, we miss your old videos." And so here I am, apologizing for running away from this channel. The truth said, I felt not really a burnout in the way that you would expect, but it was really a lot because the year before, or that year 2022, was the NFT boom, and so I overworked, and then I just didn't have this creative feeling of creating anything. So, and also I was kind of having in mind my second channel that I'm not going to announce here, but if you want, you will just find it. So what is happening and what is gonna happen to this channel? I have to be super thankful for all your views. It's still incredible that you're still commenting and complaining about some old tutorials, and when I see that, I actually get happy because I knew that I didn't make a good work then, and there is still a space for improvement. So that's great to hear. Thank you for all your comments, even though they are, the complaining ones. And now the serious matters. So what is going to happen with this channel? Well, I'm still having all the gates and doors open. There's not a definite answer in means of shutting it down. So that's definitely not going to happen. I'm still loving all the Blender / Raptor and generating NFT videos, and now I'm in a slow process of redesigning the Raptor for more of the professional usage, because that's where I saw sort of the usage most of. So the Raptor Ultra, especially the most high-end version, will get developed, but very slowly. Obviously, because the market also got, you know what happened to the market of NFTs. But I believe that this sort of slow start or slow cool down that happened, is it even called cool down? But no, basically a recession. Well, so as now all the people grew, there's no greedy behavior anymore, hopefully. I believe that the technology itself will kind of stabilize, and the land of NFTs will mature, because the technology is profound. And now with the AI in 2023, it now just started all making sense, right? Because of deep fakes and all those kind of things that happen with AI, the NFT land will definitely grow, and a lot of things will adopt the technology of blockchain in general. That's definitely going to happen. So that's good news, at least because I see it happening. That means that if you were somehow the one that was using Raptor, there will be updates, but I don't want to promise any specific dates. And even though now it sounds super ambiguous, I am still having like a lot of features to implement and to actually make it robust and really kind of, because now the Raptor, or the Ultra version especially, or from the max on, is really focusing on the animation and the animated collections. And if you actually want to create, imagine 10,000 pieces of combinations animated with, let's say, 250 frames per each, right? That creates a huge number of frames that you will need to render and also generate. So there's a lot of opportunity for me now to make that process really seamless. And so that's one part of the update. And then there's also the parallelization of rendering or the generation process. So there were suggestions that touched sort of, you know, having multiple versions, not multiple parts of the collection rendering and being generated on different computers. So and then at the end putting it all together. So that's also an interesting problem to solve. So thank you so much for your support, for believing in me for the past years. It's been it was an amazing ride, and I enjoyed every part of it. And hopefully the brighter future will come to this channel, and Thangys included. Yeah, I think I'm feeling good now. If you are worried about that, if you are worried about the RAPTOR, then I don't want to promise, but I hope there will be updates that will make you happy. And in terms of Blender and the little things around it, I think that's not going to happen. So we'll be focusing solely on generating combinations in the Blender with the RAPTOR. So if that's what you wanted to hear, thank you for staying again here with me, and I will see you very soon.